Yo, what's good, boys? So today we're simplifying ICT's Power of 3 strategy. So I'll be going over everything, and I won't be gatekeeping any information in this video, okay, whatsoever. I won't be like ICT and just yep for like 2 to 3 hours on something that's meaningless and just he overcomplicates things, okay? And I'm not hating on ICT because I love him, but bro's a yapper, okay? And we all know that. And before you rush into the comments, because you're an ICT trader yourself, please stay watching the video, watch it till the end, and learn something. Because I guarantee you will learn something. This is a powerful strategy, and once it's simplified and once you understand it, you can make so much fucking money trading it. Okay, so I'll be explaining everything. I won't be gatekeeping anything, and I'll also be going over some live trading examples. So I have like 4 or 5 examples of how I use this every single day in the markets. Okay, and how I literally make thousands of dollars doing so. So I'll pop a screenshots or some screenshots up on the screen of me making thousands of dollars, blah, 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 just for proof, okay? And a proof of live account, proof of withdrawals, blah, 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 whatever, right? I'm not a fucking demo guru, okay? Do not ever say I'm a demo guru because I show verifiable proof of literally everything, okay? But without further ado, without me yapping anymore, let's just get into the video. All right, so if we move this to the top right here, so the whole idea of this strategy is that the market moves in 3 phases, okay? There is a, so ICT calls it like distribution, accumulation, manipulation, right? I simplify it a bit more than that. I call it the continuation, right? The continuation of, let's say in a bearish trend, right? This is the continuation right here. Price now starts to consolidate, right? And then the liquidity, and then the continuation again. So it's a continuation phase, a consolidation phase, a liquidity phase, continuation, okay? So let's just make some drawings right here, okay? Continuation, let's make this green, consolidation, and what do we make this? Yellow, liquidity right here. There's 3 phases in this in the markets, right? And it moves like this every single day, okay? So keep that in mind. And this is basically it, but there's a few things to it, okay? We do not want to trade this, or we actually do. We do not want to trade this right here. Let's make it purple. We do not want to trade this area right here, okay? We want to wait for this to get liquidated, and then we can trade this entire continuation part, okay? So it's a CCL, continuation, consolidation, liquidity, continuation, consolidation, liquidity, okay? Does that make sense? I hope it does. But there's a key thing here, okay? CCL, or continuation, consolidation, liquidity, typically, and it's like 80 to 85% of the time, follow the daily bias / direction, okay? So if the daily bias is bearish in this case, right, the daily bias is bearish, price is most likely going to hunt buy side liquidity above these previous highs, above these equal highs, and then move in the overall direction, which is bearish, right? So it makes sense. It's going to stop out every retail trader that has their stop losses up here, every institutional traders as well. They will stop them out, collect all the buy side liquidity, and then move in the overall direction, which is this case is bearish, right? If we delete all this right here and we draw, what is this, bro? We draw a bullish version of it real quick. Continuation right here. Price starts to consolidate, right? Price is ranging right here, moving sideways. Nothing is happening. Okay, funny enough, we do not want to be a part of this price, and we then wait for NYSE, because NYSE 9:30 a.m. Eastern, right? 9:30 to 10 a.m. to 10:30 is typically the time we see that liquidity, or if you're an ICT trader, the manipulation, and then we get that directional move for the entire day, okay? So we want to catch the move after the liquidity, so post liquidity grab, okay? There's retail traders, institutions that have gotten their stop losses right here, and they're targeting all-time highs or new higher highs, because it's basic market structure, right? High, higher low, high, higher low. They want to catch this higher high right here. But when price sets itself up at pre-NY, so pre-New York session, it typically does this, right? It starts consolidating pre-NY session because it needs to clear all this sell side liquidity down here with a liquidity grab, and then when all the retail traders have gotten stopped out, hit their stop losses, then the price moves in the continuation phase again, right? So it stops out everyone and then goes in the other direction, following the daily bias, right? In which in this case is bullish. So continuation, consolidation, liquidity, continuation, and then just goes over again, right? I hope that makes sense. Let's get into some breakdowns real quick. Let's delete this. So I use this, as I said, can I like do, oh wait, it's control, right? Yeah, control. So I use this every single day whenever I trade, and I pre-plan this also. Okay, I'll explain everything. So keep watching. Okay, if I pull up a video right here, this is the trade from like a few weeks ago. Let's mute myself. I don't want to hear myself yapping here. But what is going on here? Let's see. So price is moving up, right? And right here, I'm anticipating the entire move. Look at this. The overall trend is bearish, right? Look at this previous 4-hour candle right here, heavily bearish. Price starts to consolidate right here. What comes after consolidation? Oh, I deleted this. Oh, my bad. Continuation, consolidation, liquidity. So after the liquidity, the continuation comes, right? So if we go back into it, I actually anticipate this entire move. Let's find it again. Right here, right? I'm anticipating that. Why is this fucking pink, bro? This is gay as shit. But I'm anticipating this entire move, and I pre-plan the entire like move of the entire day, so I know what I'm looking for pre-NYC, and then I can take advantage of that post-NYC at 9:30, right? Am I yapping too much? It's like, we're like 6 minutes into the video. I'm trying to keep it as short as possible, but I'm anticipating that this is going to be the liquidity, because this is right here is the continuation. It's now starts consolidating pre-New York session, right? Very key. And then at NYC, this is NYC. Let's actually make it full screen. This is NYC right here, 9:30. Price starts to grab liquidity, or this is at least what I'm anticipating, right? Above all these previous highs up here, right? And that also aligns with the daily bias. Look, it's bearish. So price is going to grab all this buy side liquidity above these previous highs and then potentially flip bearish, continuing all the way down to these level, continuing the daily and 4-hour trend, right? That is the exact move I'm anticipating right here. A wick right here, body starts to flip bearish. We can take advantage of that move, continuing down. Let's delete these and look at this. Tell me what happens, right? Look at this. Exactly what we anticipated, right? Liquidate all the buy side liquidity graph following the daily bias. Boom. So this is the continuation. This is the consolidation right here, and this now becomes the liquidity. Now we're taking advantage of that continuation part again right here, right? It is literally that simple. That's the trade number one, and this happens over and over again, literally every single day in the markets. Video two. Look at this. This is so easy, bro. Once this clicks for y'all, it's gonna be a money printer, and it basically is for me as well, right? Bullish trend, high, low, high. Look at this. There's sell side liquidity below these previous lows, below this low, equal lows down here. Everything gets liquidated. All the retail traders get liquidated. Boom, we take advantage of that move, continuing up, following the overall daily bias, which in this case is bullish, right? So let's draw it out again. So it's a continuation right here. Price starts to consolidate right here, NYSC, pre-NYC, right? Price starts to consolidate right here. Then the liquidity grab, boom, the continuation going up. That is what we want to catch, right? We want to catch that continuation phase, right? Or distribution phase, I think ICT calls it. So let's see what happens. Get a buys, boom, 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 easy, out. Made like $1,000 or something like that. Easy, bro. It's literally that simple. Live trade breakdown number 3. Let's see here. So I hope you can see, get the hang of it already. Look at this. Daily bias, bearish, right? Daily bias, bearish. Liquidating all this buy side liquidity. I'm just waiting for a liquidity grab to liquidate all this at NYC. This is 10 minutes after NYC, right? We get that liquidity grab. Then we can get that continuation going down to these levels, liquidating this sell side liquidity now. This is also the previous daily low, right? It is literally so fucking simple. If we draw some lines, continuation, consolidation, make it yellow, liquidity grab. Now what comes after liquidity grab? Continuation again. It is literally so fucking simple, boys. And literally what happens here? Well, we get activated, boom, 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 boom. Let's move fast forward a bit. And I made like $2,000 in this something. It's like 2.1K or something. Let's see. I closed it right here. Yeah, I made $2,100 on this trade right here. 5K week. Lovely week. Whatever. And breakdown number 4. Obviously, you can see on the top left corner right here, it's a live account. I don't trade fucking demo, okay? I have proof of live accounts. I trade live as well. And I have proof of withdrawals, okay? Keep that in mind. I'm not a demo guru. Shout out to all the demo gurus that sell courses for a living or fake mentorships or whatever. I hate those gurus, I can't lie. But whatever. Right here, I'm anticipating what price is gonna do. Look at this. I'm anticipating, this is before the price has even moved, right? Let's make it orange, whatever. It is 1 minute and 20 seconds until NYC. Am I yapping too much, boys? It's been like 10 minutes, my bad. We'll go over this quickly, but keep watching, okay? 2 minutes, or like a minute and 20 seconds until NYC opens up. I'm anticipating that the NYC will push price up, liquidate this high, liquidate all the buy side liquidity because we're in a bearish trend. Low, lower high, lower low. This is what the retail traders thought was lower low, right? We then come up, liquidate all the buy side liquidity, then we can follow the wave or follow the daily direction down, right? Look at this. This is the continuation, consolidation. You can kind of see it's like here, also here. This is the liquidity grab, right? I'm anticipating. Wait a bit. This is the continuation, right? We want to catch that continuation, of course, right? That's where the big moves happen. What happens here? Look, what happens here? Boom. It is so fucking simple, boys. Price, I'm literally anticipating this. I'm anticipating that the previous 4 hour, previous 1 hour high or low gets liquidated following the overall trend. We can take advantage of that continuation down. Look at this. Buy side liquidity got liquidated up here above these previous highs following the daily bearish trend. So if the daily trend is bearish, right, we want to see buy side liquidity get liquidated right here because we're following the daily bias, right? This is basic market structure. Low, lower high. Retail traders get into positions right here, obviously, because they're anticipating this move. With their stops above here, what happens? Price liquidates them at NYSE, typically 10 a.m. or 10:30, right? Then we get that continuation move continuing down. It is literally so fucking simple. What happens here? I make like $1,000, 1.4k, I don't know, 1.3k or something, whatever. Next trade. Look at this. It happens over and over again every single day. So let's see here. Let's actually turn my voice up. A top wick first, liquidating its previous highs up here. Boom. Did you hear that? Did you hear that, boys? A top wick liquidating its previous highs for liquidity grab following the daily bearish trend. Buy side gets liquidated in a bearish trend. Sell side gets liquidated in a bullish trend, right? And we want to take that continuation down here, right? I hope you're getting the hang of it now. Continuation, or like this is basically the continuation. This is the consolidation right here, right? This is the liquidity grab, and we want to catch the continuation. Of course, I've said that like fucking 10 times now. You're right. But let's see what happens here. Let's mute myself because, you know, boring. Look at what happens here. Boom, boom, price is pushing up. I'm anticipating this. Oh, nice. Buy side gets liquidated, starts rejecting perfectly. We are 8 minutes in the NYSE opening. Right, price starts rejecting, price starts flipping bearish, sell stops placed, boom, activated, boom, following the daily bias, liquidity buy side. It is literally the exact same play as we anticipated. Look at this. Pitch perfect. Pitch fucking perfect, boys. Look at this. Then just follow the daily direction down, makes like 1k or something. I don't know, trade my stops right here, and I close probably right there, make like 1.1k. It is fucking simple. Once you get the hang of this, once you get the hang of continuation, consolidation, liquidity, you can make so much fucking money doing this. And look at this, boys. I have a free PDF file of this entire strategy, also using continuation, consolidation, liquidity. Look at this. This is the continuation. Okay, it's actually easier to look at the impulse entry right here. This is the continuation right here. This is the consolidation right here. This is the liquidity grab right here. And we take advantage of that continuation, pushing up in the overall direction, which in this case is bullish, right? Want to see sell side get liquidated in a bullish trend, buy side get liquidated in a bearish trend, right? It is literally so fucking simple. This makes me thousands of dollars a day, and I'm sharing it for free. So if you like the video, if you like this playbook, join the Discord. It's in there for free. If you like the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe to show some love, to show that you fuck with the video, and you know, so I can know that I need to make more of them. And yeah, boys, that's basically it. Once you master this, it's basically that simple. You don't have to use overcomplicated things that ICT says, so he markets his own shit in a certain way to make, you know, it's just typical guru shit. But if you're here for a no bullshit guide on everything about trading, I've been trading for 4 years, been profitable for 1 year, I'm a full-time trader, made over 6 figures, blah, blah, whatever, right? Comment, subscribe, follow, whatever, follow on YouTube, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.